Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Subhashri Das back with my channel Emotions Unplugged. So really, as we are meeting again in my new chapter, Loss of Emotions, as we left it back. So now I have something with my tagline, it's time to speak. Really, loss of emotions, it's just a feeling. When we feel like losing something. Emotions can never be quantified. It can never. It's just a part of your life. When I'm speaking about loss of emotions, you can just imagine, you can just predict. This is my own experience. I'm trying to share in front of you. I have passed through this, which I was speaking in my last chapter. I have passed through this. This loss, when you are losing someone who is very close to you, what it takes away from you. When I lost my father, the loss was something different. When I lost my brother, I felt as if a vacuum has been created, which is I can say an irreparable loss. A void has been created. As if those loss which has been entangled in my feelings, they have succumbed. But again, those experiences, those movements with the clicking of the time, I could feel they have germinated with a new phase again. It's really hard to speak in front of someone what exactly I do feel now when I'm trying to share with you. What is that experience? I can say that loss comes as a reminder also. When I get to listen to a movie song, I automatically get connected with my memories which I had lost days back, months back, years back, and get connected to that person with whom I was so much in touch. As if it is a grief, it is a bereavement I am passing through. But still, when I am sharing all this with you, I feel that maybe you can also get an outlet also with you, that how you need also to come out of this loss. Each one of us, we are struggling each and every moment of our life because loss has become a part of our life. If you are losing a pet, that is also a loss. If you are losing something which is very close to us, that is also a loss. But how again we need to come out of this? I personally have experienced all this. And when each and every moment of my life I feel like recapitulating all those moments, I feel that obviously it is a part. And as I used to always say with one statement, life has to move on. Obviously, this loss has also become so intimate part of our life that it is also moving with us. The grief becomes deeper, intense, but still we cannot let it burst out, let it get hidden inside us. Loss cannot be ever vanished from our life. There is a saying that it vanishes. No, never. It can never vanish. We can do one thing, we can hide it. Let not get it exploded in front of someone which can kill other emotions and other feelings, because it affects our behavioral approach also, the physical reactions also, the sensations, everything. People fall into a sense of depression, sadness, frustration, but still we have to accept that fact that loss has to go on. It will go on. It's we to decide that how and to what extent we are going to survive with that loss, with that grief, which is really very emotional, very intense. It is as if making us to think about, to start up something new, as I said in my last chapter. It is a base which has shown us really loss, a four-lettered word, what it has given us. The meaning, the connotation says that it is taking away something, but on the other hand, it has also given us something. Those moments, those cherishable memories, when I move on, sitting inside a car also, looking at the open sky also, I could feel that, yes, I am getting connected with that person whom I have lost in my life. Why? Why all those are returning back? Because that loss has become a part of my feeling. Each and every breath, the respiration process, inhale and exhale, everything in wherever I am getting in touch, loss is getting connected. I feel I am not going to stretch too far. I need to end it over here, because very soon again we'll be meeting in my channel Emotions Unplugged with the next version of the loss as a part of our feeling. But till then, don't forget, audience, to give your like, comment and subscribe. Hope you will have a good day. Thank you. Bye-bye.